in the this is Times Square. Times Square is the area in the center of Manhattan. Is the busiest cities in New York. There are so many people, thousands maybe, or even millions of people here coming for a night out, maybe for tonight. A lot of building, high building, and many billboards everywhere. The center of the people, there are some attraction. It's really entertaining. And Times Square is one of the also the extremely hectic cities in Manhattan, because this is also as the center of the business. There are many offices, enterprises, companies, as well as stores, vendors. There are so many places around here attract tourism in this area. This place is very famous for celebrating New Year's Eve. So every years at the end of the years in December, people are coming here. They gather here to celebrate New Year's Eve. All right, one more fact about this place is that Times Square is one of the overly bright because there are so many lights, so many billboard advertisement. It can be seen from the outer space. If you come to New York City, you can't miss this place. This place is out of this world. I am from Times Square. Thanks for watching.